Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Matkaret. For this video presentation, we'll be discussing the topic converting decimal number to fractions. I know there are lots of students who do not know how to convert the decimal number to fractions. So with the help of this video presentations, you will learn on how to convert the decimal number to fraction. So we will proceed now to the example. Okay, so our first example is one-digit number. A one-digit number after the decimal point. So when you encounter this one-digit number after the decimal point, you write the decimal number and divide it by 1. So just like this one. Our example is 0.7. Then divide it by 1. Then after you divide it by 1, you multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10. Did you get class? When there is one-digit number after the decimal point, you multiply it by 10, both the numerator and the denominator. So 0.7 multiplied by 10, that is equals to 7. Then 1 times 10, that is 10. Okay? So we are now converting the decimal number to fractions. Did you get it, class? Okay, so our second example, class, is 2-digit. So when you encounter a 2-digit number after the decimal point, just write the decimal number. It's like this one, 0.75, and divide it by 1. Then after that, you multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 100. So next, proceed to the multiplication. So 0.75 times 100, that is equals to 75. Then 1 times 100, obviously that is 100. Okay, so we can simplify the numerator and the denominator of this problem, 75 over 100, by dividing both sides by 25. Divide also this by 25. So 75 divided by 25 is 3. Next, 100 divided by 25 is 4. So that is already simplified. So this is now the answer. Take note, from decimal number 0.75, we turn it to fraction. It's like this one. So I hope that you learned, class, with this simple presentation. Okay, class, so when you encounter a 3-digit number after the decimal point, the steps is the same. It's like this one. Let us just write the decimal number, 0.625. Then divide it by 1. Then after that, you multiply that by 1000. So a 3-digit number after the decimal point is multiplied by 1000. Okay, so take note that. So next, let us proceed to the multiplication. 0.625 times 1000, that is equals to 625. Then 1 times 1000 is 1000. Okay, so next, let us simplify the numerator and the denominator. 625 can be divided by 25. Also, 1000 is divisible by 25. Okay. So you may get your calculator. So 625 divided by 25 is 25 also. So that is equals to 25. Next, your 1000 divided by 25 is 40. Okay. However, 25 over 40 can be simplified also by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 5. Because 25 is divisible by 5, 40 is also divisible by 5. Okay. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. Equals to 5. Next, 40 divided by 5 is 8. Okay. So this is now the simplified form. Okay. So did you learn, class? So I hope that you learned with this topic, converting the decimal number to fraction. Okay. So until next video, thank you for watching.